He is setting camera on park bench. He is setting camera on park bench. Grandmother is reading book. Grandmother is reading book. I meet my grandmother. I meet my grandmother. She hugs her grandmother. She hugs her grandmother. He is playing games on computer. He is playing games on computer. She is dribbling the ball. She is dribbling the ball. They are playing with toy blocks. They are playing with toy blocks. He is holding a red toy car. He is holding a red toy car. Childs are flying kites. Childs are flying kites. She is going to office. She is going to office. She is getting ready for office. She is getting ready for office. He is doing homework. He is doing homework. She is adding detergent to washing machine. She is adding detergent to washing machine. She is wiping mirror. She is wiping mirror. She is pondering with hand on chin. She is pondering with hand on chin. He uses the digital tablet. He uses the digital tablet. He pays via card. He pays via card. She is adjusting yellow pack. He is untangling a tangled mass of cables. He is untangling a tangled mass of cables. She pours milk into a cup of coffee. She pours milk into a cup of coffee. She consoles upset friend. She consoles upset friend. She helps patient wear oxygen mask. She helps patient wear oxygen mask. She is checking fever of sick boy. She is checking fever of sick boy. He attends the calls. He attends the calls. He sweeps the dirt from floor. He sweeps the dirt from floor. Maid folds the towels. Maid folds the towels. She is applying makeup at dressing table. She is applying makeup at dressing table. He is opening the window. He is opening the window. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. They are sitting in the garden. He is closing the door. She is arranging the books.